Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a treat for you, the top 10 Ford Mustang sports cars of the past decade. Let's dive right in. Kicking off our list is the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Hold on tight for the 2021 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. The 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350R. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome automotive content. Reviving the legend, the 2019 Ford Mustang Bullitt. Get ready for the 2018 Ford Mustang GT350. Experience the 2017 Ford Mustang GT Performance Pack Level 2. The 2016 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350. In 2015, the Ford Mustang GT. The 2014 Ford Mustang Boss 302 Laguna Seca. Last but not least, the 2013 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. And there you have it, the top 10 Ford Mustang sports cars of the decade. If you enjoyed this quick rundown, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome automotive content. See you next time, and drive safe.